900 horsepower, right? That's impressive.
Plus, yeah, so I party.
That's impressive.
Like blowing me back. No way, the Charger got the Challenger. It's all...
I'm north of 900.
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to give all my secrets away.
Just a little, just sprinkles of information.
Little sparkles in there.
What year is this thing again?
Which the Charger is 2017.
2017? And
Yeah, I've had it for about 3 years.
you had it for 3 years? Whoa! What is that cold air intake?
Cold air intake. It's got major head work done, cam work done, crank work done, rods done.
Everything, eh? You just couldn't settle with 700, eh?
No, it's putting down over 1,000 real horsepower.
1,000?
Yeah.
Oh. What the? 2 catch cans. Not even 1, 2 catch cans. Amazing.
We're going to do the 50-50. Everybody's got
50-50.
I'm trying to do the 50-50 so they don't hear crap.
No worries. Woo!
It's a bit dirty.
That's fine. But you drive it. Oh, so you changed this guy, eh?
Yeah, I put the JLT Cold Air Intake up.
Daytona. Oh man, that's so good. Oh shit! Gosh! Look at that! You got any exhaust on this thing?
Just the muffler.
Just the muffler clean? Oh man, fucking huge cock. that is amazing. That is awesome. That wine though, that is priceless. The wine.
Yeah. You can get the supercharger line on it.
Oh man. Was that from your old one?
No,
No.
that's from this.
You just.
I had the BWoody on my old one.
Hey, what's wrong with BWoody? I heard they were pretty good.
They're good
Yeah.
for cold weather, right? But
yeah.
the thing is it's all aluminum tubing.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it just you end up the heat from the engine.
Yeah.
It just soaks.
Oh right, the tubing.
The tubing,
right?
the aluminum tubing, it gets
So
so hot you can't even touch it. But
Yeah.
this is plastic.
There you
right?
go. Yeah.
Right? So it doesn't take in the heat as much as, and it also has the fiberglass box to help block out a bit of heat. So you're not getting quite as much heat coming in through the filter as you are with the open ones.
So
right?
you love this compared to like even the stock one?
Well, compared to, like I said, compared to the stock, yeah, because it's got a bigger tube, so it allows more air, better filter. So yeah, over the stock. With the stock one, the only thing that's nice is it's a totally enclosed, sealed.
Right.
Or this isn't totally enclosed, sealed, right? But it's as close as you can get.
See that? Sounds amazing, eh? Wow. Simply amazing. What a machine. sounds awesome, man.
Thanks, man.
What kind of exhaust on there?
I got electric cutouts on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
With stock exhaust with it?
Stock exhaust with it, yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Have you taken it to the track?
Have you seen my plate?
What's that?
License plate, I'll let you know.
Oh, okay. Then, oh yeah. What do you do in a quarter?
12.1.
That's not bad.
12.1 with these tires on it.
Yeah. How much does this thing weigh?
It's about 7,000 pounds.
Yeah, that's pretty good for
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
I get it.
It's out there hurting Mustang owners' feelings all day.
It's your boy.
Right?
My man. That's it?
How are you? Come on.
Phenomenal. Very nice.
Parfait. Mes condescences sont levées, on va te dépasser.